I'll be doing the liquid marshmallows, otherwise known as cotton balls, and beans. It can be flown from the back, pointing to the payload bay windows and the mission-specific panels that are going to be behind me. It's hard for kids to realize that you can build something that's not attached to anything. But in zero gravity, you can do that, or in space, you can do that. And since I'm talking about why we're in space and why it's important that other people get a chance to fly in space. Tunes in on day 4 now to watch the teacher teaching from space. I'd like to...
A teacher at Concord High School in Concord, New Hampshire, Krista McCullough was chosen by NASA as the first ordinary person to fly in space.